So this is lecture 35 according to your lesson plan, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about this solution of differential equation and system behavior. Okay, so differential equation की जब हम बात करते हैं in Laplace transform, okay, so हम बात करते हैं दो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमारी थ्योरम होती हैं और यू कैन से प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं जैसे दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. The first one is your initial value theorem. Initial value theorem. Okay, so if I talk about the this initial value theorem, I'm just writing the mathematically how we are going to define this initial value theorem. So this x0 plus, okay, this x0 plus is nothing else the initial value of xt, okay, and we are calculating this value from the xs directly, okay, and in this particular theorem अगर मैं initial value theorem की बात करूं, it state that if xt equal to 0 means if the xt the in a given function xt or given signal xt equal to 0 for t less than 0, okay, means अगर t की वैल्यू 0 से कम है तो xt equal to 0 and if consist number of impulses or higher order singularities at the origin. Origin means t equal to 0, and that case x0 plus equal to limit s tends to infinity s xs. Same in the case of the final value theorem. Okay, so in that case the mathematical definition, this limit t tends to infinity xt, or directly you can write it down x of infinity equal to limit s tends to 0 s xs. Okay, now why I'm writing these in two properties, that initial value theorem and final value theorem, because in differentiation property we have seen these the initial values and final values were coming. Okay, so we have to calculate these values when we are using this differentiation property. Okay, so we will see with the help of numerical problem. Okay, now for example, if you want to calculate the, okay, these values, okay, so for example, let's take one example quickly. Determine the initial value and final value of xt if its Laplace transform is x of s equal to 10 s 10 2s plus 3 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. Okay, so this question is given. Now if you want to solve this, so for applying the initial value, that is formula is x0 plus equal to limit s tends to infinity s xs. Now you can see over here xs is given, so x0 plus limit s tends to infinity s xs की value is given 10 2s plus 3 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. So in that case, okay, now that will be x 0 plus equal to limit s tends to infinity. Now you can take the s common. So for taking the s common, it will be s into 10, that will be 2 plus 3 by s. Now denominator part, you can take the s square common. So you will get the 1 plus 2 by s plus 5 upon s square. Or that will be cancelled out. So you can write it down x 0 plus equal to limit s tends to infinity, 10 by s is common, 2 plus 3 by s upon 1 plus 2 by s plus 5 upon s square. Now from here, that is 10 by s, not 5. Now from here, when you put the s equal to infinity, so overall product is this 10 by s is multiplying this factor. So if you put s equal to infinity, so 10 by infinity, 1 upon infinity, that is the 0. So overall is value is 0, because this portion 0 will multiply whole the function. So you will get the 0 value. So initial value is coming 0. Now if you want to calculate the final value, so final value के लिए you have to final value means you want to calculate x of infinity. Formula क्या था? Limit s tends to 0 s xs. So limit s tends to 0 s xs की वैल्यू क्या थी? That is your 10 2s plus 3, 10 2s plus 3 upon s square plus 2s plus 5, s square plus 2s plus 5. So that s will be cancel out. Now from here you can see over here, when you put the s equal to 0, this term will be 0, this term will be 0, this term will be 0. Okay, so directly you can write it down. 10 बचा क्या? 10 multiplied with 3 upon नीचे क्या बचा? 5. So from here you will get this 6. So x infinity value is 6. Okay, so in this way you can calculate these initial value and final values. Okay, so I hope this point is clear.